In this problem, we're told the peregrine falcon can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour while diving to catch prey, making it the fastest animal on the planet when in a dive. We're asked what is the peregrine falcon's maximum speed when diving in feet per second, rounding our answer to the nearest whole number, and given that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So we're told that it can reach speeds of up to 200 miles in 1 hour. We're going to use a unit conversion to get that into feet per second. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by 5,280 feet divided by 1 mile. Now what this is basically doing is we are changing the unit. So from miles to hour, these are going to cancel, and then we're going to have feet per hour. And since 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile, this is just multiplying by 1. Right? If you have 6 times 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4 is just 1, so this is 6 times 1, which is just 6. However, we can use this to find that it's 24 over 4, and this changes the denominator. We're doing a similar thing here. And then we want to turn the hour into seconds. So we can do a similar thing where we can say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 60 minutes, or 60 seconds are equal to 1 minute. Right? And then all of these fractions are just basically 1 because it's something over itself just with a different unit. And then the miles are going to cancel out, the hours are going to cancel out, and the minutes are going to cancel out. For the minutes to cancel out, we actually have to flip this fraction, put the minutes on top, right? It shouldn't matter which one we do because they're equal to each other. 1 minute over 60 seconds, and then we put the minute in the numerator so that these cancel. So now we have 200 times 5,280 times 1, but that doesn't actually change anything, feet, over 1, again, doesn't really change anything, times 60 seconds. So this is 200 times 5,280 divided by 60 times 60 feet per second, which, if you calculate it out, is roughly 293.3 feet per second. We're asked to round to the nearest whole number, so your final answer is going to be 293.